The African continent. Africa borders the Mediterranean Sea in the north. To the west, it borders the Atlantic Ocean. To the southeast, it borders the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea in the northeast. Other facts. It is the largest continent, second largest continent. There are 54 countries and one non-self-governing country of Western Sahara in Africa. Algeria is the largest country. The Seychelles is the smallest country. Nigeria is the most populated country. The population is over 1 billion. 50% of the population is under 25. By 2050, the population will be 2.3 billion. Languages. There are over 2,000 recognized languages spoken in Africa. The languages most spoken are Arabic, English, Swahili, French, Berber, Hausa, Portuguese and Spanish. Literacy. 40% of African adults are illiterate and 2/3 are women. HIV and AIDS, malaria, Ebola. Over 25 million people are HIV positive. 17 million have died of AIDS. 24% of child deaths in sub-Saharan Africa are from malaria. 240 million Africans are severely malnourished. Approximately 90% of cases of malaria occur in Africa. More than 11,000 people died from the Ebola epidemic in the last few years. This is a road, a dirt road, a fishing village in Ghana. Resources. 30% of all mineral resources are in Africa. Nigeria is the 4th largest oil exporter. Africa has the largest reserves of precious metals. 40% of all gold reserves, 90% of platinum, and 60% of cobalt. Congo is rich in minerals and other resources. 5.4 million people died in the Second Congo War because of disease and famine. Here are the conflict minerals in the Congo and Angola with a Chinese. The Chinese in Africa. China is Africa's top trade partner. There are over 1 million Chinese in Africa. Agriculture and the land. Over half of Africa's labor force work in agriculture. Most of the land is unsuitable for sustainable farming. A lot of land is degraded by erosion, poor land management, mining and pollution. Rainfall is variable. About 75% of Africans use groundwater as their drinking water. Deforestation is twice the average for the rest of the world. Forests are destroyed by logging, land conversion to plantations, agriculture, mines, roads and settlements. Major biomes: deserts, savanna, rainforest. Africa has a wide variety of terrain, wildlife and climates. Cities. Some of the most important cities are Cairo in Egypt, Lagos in Nigeria, Kinshasa in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, Johannesburg, Cape Town and Durban in South Africa. South Africa's townships. Major rivers. The Nile is the longest river in the world. The Niger, the Congo, the Zambezi. Lakes. Victoria is the largest lake in Africa. Tanganyika, Lake Assal in Djibouti is the lowest point in Africa at 153 meters below sea level. The deserts, Sahara, Kalahari, highlands and mountains, Ethiopian highlands, Serengeti grasslands, Atlas Mountains, and Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is 5,895 meters high. Animals. Africa is rich in varied wildlife. Megafauna like giraffe, hippopotamus, zebra, gorilla, chimpanzees, and wildebeest are only found in Africa. Other animals are elephants. They are killed for their tusks. Some elephants now hide during the day and eat at night. Penguins, lions, cheetahs, giraffes, gorillas, hippopotamus, crocodiles, rhinoceros killed for their horns, and on the brink of extinction, the white rhinoceros. South Africa, the meerkats, and all the animals in Africa. Bye-bye.